This is a video in a series of videos on LocDirect functionality that you can find at LocalizeDirect.com. Imagine if you could build a library of localized phrases and words in different languages that could be then reused in your game localization. With translation memory, also referred to as TM, you can automatically draw on previous game localizations, so there's no need to have the same words or phrases translated over and over again. The time and cost savings for your game localization can be enormous. In this video, I'll take you through how to enable translation memory, or TM, on a project and what some of the settings enable you to do. If you double-click on the main project in the directory tree, this will open up the project overview. Along the top, we have a number of different tabs that you can then interact with. We'll select TM. By default, TM is not enabled. We want to leave that up to you to decide. So if you wish to enable, then click here. You can then choose matching method and also what status TM matches will be set at in LD. In matching method, you can select source strings that have a 100% match, which means that it has to be exactly the same. Alternatively, you can choose 95% and above. This means source text that is almost the same will have the translation inserted into the string. Examples of this are strings that may in the main be the same, but perhaps have capitalization or punctuation differences. Maybe an exclamation mark at the end, for example. I'll choose 95% here. You can then choose whether you want to accept this insertion as up-to-date, so green, or out-of-date, yellow. I'll choose this as out-of-date. In this tab, you are also able to export and import TM files. Formats are TMX and CSV. You can therefore choose to export and then import TM files from other projects and servers. We'll quickly move back to the string table here. We have a string here with source text brightness. What I'll do is I'll add a new string here with the same ID, slightly adjusted, and then the same source text. And then I'll save that out. Once saved, you can see it automatically populates the game translations. As desired, they are set as yellow, so should be checked before passing on to submission. With each and every string, you can view the item history. You can see here that there's a full breakdown of any changes to that string. Also, this string has had a TM insertion. It will also inform you as to whether it was a 100% match or a fuzzy one. I will add another string here, but this time we'll make it slightly different. I'll add an exclamation mark. So we click here, add a string, copy the string ID down, change slightly, and we'll add the exclamation mark, and save out. So the translations are again inserted, but when checking the item history, you'll see it was a fuzzy match. Within LocDirect, you can create tracked Excel exports for translators. We have a video explaining this feature in detail on our site, LocalizeDirect.com. So for now, I'll export and select German. Start translation export, and then push through. So this will extract new and retranslation strings. Once this completes, I can then open the file and edit. So I can see from this file here that target language is out of date in both instances here. So we have our German text translation to go here. So what I'll do is then change this to brightness exclamation, and then just add a little something to the end of this as well, and then save those out, and then I'll look to import these back in, and then we'll see we've got 2 successful imports here. Click on finish. Then we can go back to the strings, find those 2 strings here, check the item history, and you can see here how it's now been changed, and those in German are now set as up to date. If you found this useful, then please check out some of our other videos at LocalizeDirect.com. Thanks very much.